hardest hit areas in that part of the state.
It's true. They actually set a record rainfall for that day in Roswell yesterday at 1.61 inches of rain. Yeah, it brings the total, the two-day total, to about an inch and 7/10. You can see Ruidoso came up with over an inch and a half of rain. Cloudcroft, the same, more of that was snow up in the higher elevations. But you can see the southeastern plains did very well with that last system, and every little bit helps. Again, that drought's long term, so it doesn't wash away completely, but it does help. This next storm out across the Pacific Northwest is our best bet of getting any rain over the next few days here in Albuquerque. So we got to wait for that to drop to the south, and then once it nears the state, then we're going to know more on the details and where those storms will fire. Temperatures this morning in the 20s and 30s, 40s and 30s down to the south. So we're quiet underneath the mostly clear sky to start, but these temperatures are significantly cooler than what you woke up to yesterday, so you will need the jacket. 60s by lunch, we'll get into the low 70s today. So warmer than yesterday, but today is looking to shape up to be one of the warmest days of the next 7. So soak it in today before they start to tumble heading into this week. As far as the storm chances go, we're watching for some spotty storms and showers out across the western portions of the state. Higher elevations look to be a little bit more favored, and again up in the northern mountains. Metro area will hope for a shower or two. We'll see the clouds build in late, but we're really not looking at a significant storm chances. That will come with this next system as it drops south. The thing about this system, though, is it's much colder than what we've been seeing over the past few weeks. So the cooler air will filter in across the entire state. Something we'll have to watch, though, is the track, as our two models are showing two different tracks, and that's going to be a problem for us when it comes down to nailing these rain chances. So the GFS, our American model, is showing one that I do not like. That storm center is really across the middle of the state, meaning rain chances will be confined to the northern mountains and the northeastern plains. I don't like how it's drawn out like that. The European model, though, is much better in showing this track further off to the west on that state line, and this setup will give us the statewide showers and maybe even some northern mountain snow. That will happen if the storm stays on that European track. So something we're going to have to iron out once we get a little bit closer to the event. Right now, too fuzzy to tell. Southern Colorado, you actually will see the cooler temperatures as early as tomorrow. So enjoy the 60s and 70s and the sunshine you have today, as 40s will take over tomorrow and Thursday. Northwest Plateau, sun and clouds with the spotty showers and storms a possibility. The 70s fall to the 50s tomorrow. Watching for another shot of rain, possibly by Thursday into Friday. Southwest, mostly sunny. Just a warmer and drier day for you guys in the 60s and low 70s today. Those 70s will continue for the next couple of days before that cool down hits you on Friday. Southeast, drier and warmer today. Not the 2 to 3 inches of rain you've had fall over the past couple of days. We'll actually see a good amount of sunshine heading into this afternoon. Northeastern plains, breezy conditions and mostly sunny today. Temperatures getting back into the 60s. We hit the 50s by Thursday and Friday. We'll have to watch, though, for some critical fire danger in between now and the end of the week. Northern mountains, sun and clouds with spotty showers possible. The temperatures will stay put in the 60s today and tomorrow. East mountains looking at a little bit of a breeze today. Temperatures in the 60s once again underneath that mostly sunny sky. And here in the metro area, we're talking a good amount of sunshine to start. More clouds by late day. Temperatures warmer in the 70s and a spot shower possible, though not likely. Much better chances for some moisture arrive Thursday into Friday. But the winds are something we're going to be fighting here for a while. Both Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at high fire danger across the central and eastern portions of the state. And then we'll get that system.
We're not used to those 50s, you know, as high.
No, I know. It's going to be cool, especially those overnight lows. If you already did your planting, maybe start thinking ahead about how you're going to keep those plants safe from the cold.
That's a good idea.
But the thing is, if we get some moisture,
it'll be worth it.
We'll take the cold.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. All right.
Thanks so much, Kristen.